Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to check and improve battery health on iPhone 17. So first, go into Settings and then Battery. Scroll down to Battery Health, and here you can check the battery health. As you can see, it is normal for me. The maximum capacity is 100%. So, to improve the battery health, go into the charging mode. And if you need to enable it to 100%, then remember to enable the optimized battery charging. But I will recommend to change this value to 90%, 95 or even 90 to charge just to 90%, don't charge to 100. Then go to power mode and enable adaptive power and low power mode. Go back and here once again open the quick settings. I just disabled the brightness. Lower the brightness. Go in here and disable everything that you're not currently using. So I don't use Bluetooth. If you're not using the Wi-Fi, personal hotspot, VPN or mobile data, just disable it. And if you're not using your phone, enable the airplane mode. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.